But what about transferring funds back to your bank account from your Fidelity account? Let's say you have some investment gains, you sell off some stocks, and you're looking to move that money to your bank account. If you want to do that, you're going to click here on the Transfers tab, and this is going to give you all sorts of different options for what you're looking to do. So we're looking to do an EFT, electronic funds transfer to or from a bank, so we're going to click on that. And then from here, you're going to choose the account to transfer from. So in this case, it's going to be our individual portfolio account. And right now, we don't have any withdrawable cash because it hasn't settled the deposit that we made, but I will walk you through the steps as far as we can go here. And then you're going to choose your to account, which is going to be your bank account. And at this point, you can choose if it's a one-time or a recurring transfer. We're going to do a one-time transfer, and let's just put in $1. Now, it's probably not going to let me go any further here, but if we click here on continue, it actually does, which is cool. So this is telling us we have to sell some investments and free up cash to complete the transfer. So if we scroll down here, it gives us options for investments that we could sell if we wanted to complete that transfer. From here, we would just click on continue and then verify those transfer details. In most cases, you'd want to have settled cash available to transfer versus having to sell off some of your investments in order to have the funds for that transfer.